This is a Facebook era. But a Spice, I'm come for talk about the shit. A shit around the place. Hashtag shit challenge.
What's going on, viewers and subscribers? So you don't know, it's your boy Unstoppable. And people, Spice is still trending. Spice is still the talk of the town. Spice is still #1 right now. Even though a lot of people come out and say, yo, Spice, them no rate her again because she bleach out her skin. And then another set of people come and say, yo, Spice did not bleach out her skin. It's just makeup. Then some people say it's Photoshop. Then Spice made it to the Wendy Williams show. Then Wendy Williams start get bashed by Jamaicans because they must say, yo, Wendy Williams, this up Spice. People, a whole heap of things are going on. So, me I go enlighten a few on right now and make you know the truth behind Spice's Black Hypocrisy song. So, people, a few years ago, there was a young lady named Esther Rowe who diss up Spice wicked after she went on her Facebook platform and talk about Spice, saying Spice black until she shine. Yes, people. Yes, remember Spice said that line, very same line in her interview while she was explaining why she allegedly bleached her entire body. Yes, people. So it was Esther Rowe who actually said those words about Spice. Remember when Spice in the actual song where she said, yo, the worst part about it is these things weren't coming from a Caucasian person, it was coming from her own black people. So yes, people, this is where it all started. Esther Rowe dissed up Spice in her video and said that Spice need to wash her body and change her color because Spice black till she shine. So apparently, people, this morning Esther Rowe did an apology to Spice after all these years and said after she saw Spice's video of Black Hypocrisy, it made her want to apologize. So Esther did a public apology, people. Spice saw it after the Tropics reposted it and Spice posted it to her platform and accepted the apology. But Esther is coming under heavy fire, people. But people, may have to say what Esther did was actually a big move because she apologized to Spice publicly. She didn't have to do it. So I could say, Esther, big up yourself for that. You understand what I say? People do make mistakes. Spice accepted the apology. So all the people who have bashed Esther need to just come off her and leave the girl alone. The girl live her life. Alright? She made a big move by apologizing to Spice. That right there should be enough. Anyway, people, check out the video from a few years ago where Esther was kinda styling up Spice. So you can get an understanding of where this all came from and the real reason behind it. See the video, yeah, people.
My word tight and good. Spice, you're my artist. You're my artist, Spice. But you need to fix up yourself. Spice, you come a far enough. You need to go map or make them match you. Because your foundation them ever off. Me no get it. Me no understand why your foundation always. Why Spice foundation have to always off?
She do it herself.
She do it herself. And Spice, you're black already, which me love your blackness, but your black and shine. You understand what I'm saying? And me love your blackness. Don't get me wrong, you know. Your blackness pretty bad. But Jesus Christ, I make you look like you want to be sir. Spice, make you look like you want to be sir, Spice. Listen, all of them can't cost me, I say, no. I say me big and fat. That's all them can't cost me, I say. So me big and fat because I'm acknowledging. You understand? Other than that, that's it. But me I talk the truth and the truth with God love. I mean I'm biased. Spice you look like you want beard. Spice you look like you want some Dettol. Spice you look like 2 tubes of bleach need to go in your water when you're beard. Spice you need to come a friend for 3 months and come beard in the people them find warm water. Yeah? Me not bias. Spice you need to come over here and come bathe in them water there. Because Spice you look good. Come like what she do? She don't look good. Hey, it come like Spice take one before Spice everyone before Spice performance. Me feel like Spice take a big old bottle of canola oil. No, canola oil not so shiny. Take a bottle of vegetable oil. Spice, you have to do blood clot better. Spice, you have to stop it. Spice, you need to go. If somebody case and you just don't want to come a foreign, and you ever there blood clot foreign, you ever there Trinidad, you ever there Europe.
So people now only hear what Esther Rowe had to say. Now me I go jump into the apology which she wrote to Spice and me couldn't hear what she said. She says, you know, I woke up this morning with no regrets. Told myself, sure, them lucky. Then T's Unstoppable called me and we had a good conversation on the phone. I was defensive, but still I listened to how she felt after I made the video about Spice bashing her. In 2016, I wasn't as woke as I am now. So I degraded and humiliated Spice. I said she want 2 tubs of bleach in her water. Honestly, I, in the back of my mind, was speaking about the attire and how her clothes didn't compliment her, etc. I didn't realize how color prejudiced I was being in that video until today. How here I was promoting self-hate and telling the black woman that her melanin wasn't good enough, that she was too black and her blackness didn't make her beautiful. It broke my heart when I watched the Black Hypocrisy video and heard her quote the old me. The truth is, I damn near cried. I couldn't believe that my actions was the cause to someone feeling so torn about their complexion. Me, yes, me, Esther Rowe. I'm not that girl anymore, but she was me. For years I disregarded the video because I didn't understand how offensive it was. How many black Jamaican women took my video to heart. How many women felt as though I was a part of the problem. Black hypocrisy has really given me a wake-up call. So be careful of the things you say to people. Some people will take it to the core of their heart and commit suicide. Develop drinking and smoking problems. Be careful of what you say and how you say it, because it can cause a person's demise. So Spice, Grace Hamilton, and to all the beautiful black queens, I hope you will find it somewhere in your heart to forgive me. I am truly, genuinely, sincerely sorry for the trauma I added to your life. I wish I could take the video back, but unfortunately I can't. Again, I apologize. So viewers, subscribers, there you have it. You have the apology from Esther Rowe, and she says she truly, genuinely, sincerely apologizes to Spice. Like I said before, she did it on an open platform so the world could see. Spice accepted her apology and said, yes, your apology accepted, and Spice is moving on. Spice, in which I'm quite sure Spice moved on from that years ago, from the video surfaced of Esther bashing Spice and her complexion. But people, you know, right now the video surfaced and, you know, Spice sang a boom and a shot, so you don't know, so everybody, people are gonna dig up back that old video there. So Esther felt compelled to give Spice an apology, and she did it sincerely. So people all who bash Esther and I say, you know, she this and she that and she big and she fat and she ray. Oh no, I do the very same thing that Spice is talking about. Black people pulling down black people and looking at their appearance and judging them. So Uno just need to stop that. Alright, let Esther live. Let Spice live. Spice forgive Esther. Esther apologize. That's all that matters. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Talk to me down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this whole thing. Whether you think Esther's apology was actually sincere or not. Alright, or if you feel like Spice did actually do the song about black hypocrisy because of the video that Esther did. You understand? Because I mean, I don't think that Spice is actually that sensitive, you know, to, I mean, she is human, but when I really feel like she is that sensitive to say, well, go do a whole song because of something that someone else said. And also, I noticed that Spice did a Q&A on her Instagram today and gave the fans the opportunity to ask her a few questions, you know, in regards to whatever they wanted to ask. And I saw people asking Spice what she thought about the fact that Wendy Williams was saying that she didn't know and she, you know, was kind of disrespecting her. And the simple response that Spice gave was, I don't let other person's remarks of me affect me. So clearly, that right there says that Spice wasn't really affected by Esther's comment, because if she's saying that, you know, whatever Wendy Williams think about her didn't really bother her, you understand what I'm saying, viewers? So why would Esther's comment really affect her so much? Alright, so clearly it is not even relating to that, but people just are going to surface back Esther video since Spice come up with that whole song, since Spice released that whole video, and just because that very same line that Esther said, black and shine, is actually in Spice song, you know, they're going to relate the two and say, well, yeah, this is the reason why Spice did this song, right? But viewers, subscribers, the important lesson right here, as Esther apologized and she did it sincerely, Spice holds no grudges. That is what is important. That is the lesson we need to take away from this thing. Also, you know, Stop the color prejudice thing. That's the most important lesson. Viewers, subscribers, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And no matter what, don't make nobody stop you, because after all, we are unstoppable. I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.